So what's up, guys? We're in day 121, and I gotta say I've seen like a lot of people start to watch the videos like from nowhere, and I was pretty scared, but I'm glad. So thank you guys for following and for all the support. And actually, what I want to say is like if you want to like know a little bit more about me, like you can go like to day 100. I'll talk a little bit of my journey, but basically, like this week, like I got like a propose of job, not a propose, but like I'm doing like a boot camp, but it's kind of a boot camp because it's not only a boot camp, it's like an interview. It's like 1 week of you know a project you need to do, and if you go really well like in this project, you get a job. So it's like a competitive thing, like and good a good a good company is doing it, and I need to lock in. So for these days, like probably like I have like if I get into this company, it's gonna be August 26th, and for a little bit of time, I'm not gonna call like intensively. So yeah, I'm gonna look in, and yeah, hopefully just get a job and in this series, because I like to do this, but I also want to stop a little bit because it's really been rough, because it's every day, bro. And some days I just want to die, and I don't want to mess with the computer at all. But like yesterday, for example, like everything just ran out of electricity in my house, just raining here in Brazil. And you know I gotta like take my laptop and just use my internet of my cell phone and try to edit like the video while I was in the interview. And not while after I watched the interview, I was in the interview, like I wasn't in the interview scene, but after, like I had like 50%, 30% of battery on the laptop, and it was a rough day. So yeah, let's go. Let's let's keep the grind and let's see what we're gonna do today. I have no idea. I kind of want to do medium ones. Construct binary tree for pre-order and in-order traversal. Clone graph. Sort list. No. Minimum size subarray sum. Blah, 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 blah. Bulls and cows. Let's see this one. You're playing the bulls and cows game with your friends. Bro, I'm not gonna learn this. We'll start with some SQL, whatever. Let's get rid of this. Wait, pick acceptance. I'm really bad in SQL, so Yeah, I don't really want to try crazy stuff here because I know I'm gonna get stuck for a fact because I'm really rusty. Write a solution to rearrange the products table to so that each row has product ID, store price. If a product is not available in a store, do not include a row with that product ID and store combination in the result table. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. All right. Product ID, store and price. Yeah, I'm gonna probably see this one. Gonna think a little bit, but probably see because I'm really not good at all in SQL anymore. But let's see. Store price from table products. Yeah, I'm gonna just see this one. I say, guys, like I'm really not good anymore in doing like. Wait a second. I just prefer to see a little bit of the SQL ones because I'm really, really need to remember a lot of stuff, so I'm not good at it. All right. Yeah, it's not difficult at all. Just let me see this one. All right, makes sense. Let's see. All right, it's using union. All right. Okay. Product ID. All right. Price. I'm doing everything wrong. Very good. All right. I try just to just get a hint instead of looking at the code. Yeah, not a good idea. Wait a second, guys. So I'm back. Let's keep doing it. Just solve this. Mm, let's do Python 1. The SQL ones I do mostly for, remember the, remember the language. I'm not using it like really much. So yeah, I need to do some of them. But let's do some Python ones. It's better. Transform array. No, let me do. Go deeper. Points that intersect with the cars. Let's see this one. You're given a zero indexed to the integer array nums representing the coordinates of the cars parking on number line. For any index I, nums I, start I and I, where start I is the starting point of the car and end is the ending point of the car. Return the number of integer points on the line that are covered with any part of a car. Wait a second. think a little bit. Oh, I mean, kind of get it, but let's try it. Let's just use a set for this one. I think it's probably the best thing to do. I mean, I don't know if this is the best approach, but let's see. Let's see if this was a good approach. Yeah, I think that the gap here is like I'm probably doing like so many times like the same subset sometimes, and I could just probably just get rid of it. But how could I do this? Could do something probably with the hash map, but I mean, I'm gonna do another exercise. Like, actually, let me see the optimal solution. Draw. Let me save this. Gonna see it after. I mean, I think my internet don't let you do anything anymore. Let's see. Robot return to origin. Let's see this one. There's a robot starting in position 00, the version of Chide plane. Given a sequence of it moves, if the robot ends up at 00 and after it completes its moves. We're given string moves that represents the move sequence of the robot, where it can be up, right, left, or down. Return true if the robot returns to the origin after it finishes all of its moves, or false or otherwise. The way that a robot is facing is irrelevant. We'll always make the robot move to the left. True. Whatever. I mean, you just gotta figure out like if the number of U's are equals the number of these, and the R's are equal to the number of all else. Right, just gonna do this. Do hash map. Take a 4, char, and moves, and after let's make this and compare like doing here, left and right. True. Return false. Yeah, just that. Oh my god. Actually, Let me declare it before actually. I think that's it, guys. I mean, that's it for today, guys. I see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for the support. Goodbye.